Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again in this channel. In this video, we will discuss about laser printers. We know that some model of this printer are equipped with chips in the cartridge so that we cannot freely refill the ink when it runs out. For example, the HP MFP 135 printer. And after the usage time is up, we are forced to buy new cartridges, and this of course requires a higher cost. But here we will show you a good solution so that we can use the cartridge freely. We can fill it when the ink runs out without being limited by the chips in the cartridge. This video we will show you how to do this.
How to make HP Laser MFP 135A chipless. Ink Chip Fix Reset firmware will help you. You will need a computer with Windows operating system, the internet connection, and USB cable. Note, your printer driver should already be installed on your computer. Connect your printer to the computer using the USB cable. Visit the inkchip.net website, open the Laser page. Choose the language to download the software. Then launch the software and check if your printer is on, connected to the computer through USB, an internet connection is established, and the driver is installed. The program will automatically identify your firmware version and generate an appropriate file for your printer model. Click Next. Click Buy to proceed to checkout. The payment page will open. If it's not for some reason, press Copy button and insert it into your browser's address bar. It will allow you to proceed to payment for the chipless firmware. Enter the data. You have successfully submitted the order. If you see this message during the payment, it means that your printer model is not supported for chipless firmware. Send us your data and we will work on it. If you see this message during the payment, it means that your printer is not recognized. Check once more if your printer is on, connected to the computer through USB only, an internet connection is established, and the driver is installed. You will receive the email with the chipless firmware file in 15 minutes after the payment is successful. Download zipped file. To install the chipless firmware, you need to enter recovery mode. Turn the printer off and wait at least 1 minute. Hold the cancel button down and then press the power button until the download mode press key message appears on the LCD. Release both buttons and press cancel once more. You will see the wait image message on the LCD. Unpack the zipped files of the chipless firmware using WinZip or WinRAR. You need the firmware file. Its name begins with Fix. Using the mouse or touchpad, drag this file and drop it on the firmware installer. The chipless firmware installation will start. Once it finishes, your printer will be rebooted and the power light will go on. That's it. Your printer is chipless. Get the cartridge from the printer. Tape the contacts and insert the cartridge back into the printer. Note: Ink Chip Fix Reset firmware is non-refundable. It's generated for only one printer and can't be used on other printers. Please note you shouldn't update the printer's firmware. Otherwise, it will reset to default settings, so you will need to recover the chipless firmware. Wishing you good prints.
Okay, visit inkchip.net and try this. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.